Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Kedu maka ahia or Ke maka ahia, which means how is market? How is market? Kedu maka ahia. When you ask somebody this question in the market, what do you expect as a response? You will say, Ọ na-aga ọfụma. Ọ na-aga ọfụma, which means it is going well. But if you look up there, you will see that we put K in bracket in front of Kedu, which means you can use Kedu or K. If you want it to sound smooth, you say Ke maka ahia. And when you meet a very busy guy in the market and ask him this question, an Igbo man will simply say Ofuma, which is the same thing as saying Ọ na-aga ọfụma. So take it as the answer. It is the same thing as Ọ na-aga ọfụma. You don't have time for all this story. You will simply say Ofuma. So go out there in the market, ask any Igbo guy this question and expect a response. And as you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next day's upload. Also like and comment so that you can help others to discover this channel. God bless you.